Hello everyone and welcome to this next module. So in this module we will discuss about various concepts of cloud interoperability. This module consists of various objectives such as cloud interoperability, types of interoperability, migration process, open standards, need of virtualization, virtualized environment, managed execution and its features. So moving forward we'll talk about cloud interoperability. So it is just like a feature of product whose implementation is easy to understand and easy to implement with other product without any limitation and execution. So these are the types of interoperability such as language interoperability and semantic interoperability. So moving forward we'll talk about migration process. So if a user want to migrate from one cloud provider to another cloud provider, so the category of interoperability falls into these types like data and application portability, platform portability and infrastructure portability. So there are some open standards for solving the cloud interoperability which are given here, the application solutions and the platform solutions, and also the infrastructure solutions. So we talk about application solutions. So application solutions is just like a solutions which gives the user the liberty to migrate from one platform to another. And for platform solutions, here we define certain characteristics that the service or the application should not be platform dependent. It should run on any platform. And also same like infrastructure, the service should not be dependent on one infrastructure. It should work on another infrastructure also. So need of virtualization. So we need virtualization for these few initiatives like to resolve the lack of space, for greening initiative, for the rise of administration. So basically we use virtualization for resolving the problem of lack of space. Here we talk about virtualized environment. So these are the characteristics of virtualized environment like isolation, emulation, aggregation, and sharing. So now we will talk about managed execution. Means if we want to manage servers from one server to another, then we can do in these following processes. Like if we want to share from one server to another, then we can do like this. And if we want to aggregate, then we can do like this. For other processes we can do as same like these processes like managing the virtual resources through the process of virtualization with physical resources. So here are the features. For tuning performance means to control the performance of the guest. For the virtualized machine migration means to move virtual image into another machine. And after that, portability, which means to safely move and then executed on the top of different virtual machines. So that's all for this module. See you over the next module. Have a good day.